love how it's applying. Ooh. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I thought it'd be a good idea to come on here and try out the new Danessa Myricks products with you. They just sent these over. She actually shows you on her Instagram how to face map with these skin prep products, which I think is so important. You pinpoint the areas that actually need, you know, the skin preps. Say water powder serum. That looks super fire. Moisture repair balm. Fire. There we go. That smells good too. Anytime I'm wearing makeup, the T-zone is definitely an area I want to make sure has the most like oil control so that the makeup lasts even longer. Products like these are extremely ideal. I love makeup artists like Danessa Myricks who formulate products, you know, for makeup artists like myself, because they just make sense, okay? Now we're gonna go in with the Moisture Repair Balm, the little spatula there, and scoop up just a bit. Let's try it out. Ooh, that feels real smooth. A product like this is what you want on like the high points. So definitely, like for me, that will be here, here, here. And I'm just gonna press it into the skin. Genius. Going to apply some on the lips. I love a multi-use product, especially as a makeup artist. I don't like to carry a ton of stuff around. That is extremely ideal. Danessa, you did that.